Good morning, dear students and respected parents. I am Dilip Sejo Patil, Director of Global Public School, Sipora Bazar, Taluka Bhokardan, District Jalna. First, welcome to all respected parents and dear student, behalf of Global Public School. I am English teacher. Today we shall discuss about the topic how to speak good English. I recall the topic how to speak good English. I would like to say I am Marathi medium student, but today I am English teacher. I have taken education 5 to 8 Ram Rahim Vidyalay at Sipora Bazar. Then I went Jadpe School, Mahora, Taluka Jafrabad, District Jalna. I have taken education in remote area. That time I could not speak English well, but today I can speak English well because of only practice. I have taught English subject Saraswati Education Academy, Bajaj Nagar, Aurangabad, Shivtaj International School, Kids Valley English School, and Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Friends, now we shall discuss about how to speak good English. I shall tell you 5 steps. First, please remember, God give us natural talent. I will repeat. Please remember, God give us natural talent. If we use that talent to set our goal in life, we can easily get success in life, because life is something like a trumpet. Life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Second, please remember, you are the teacher and you are the student. I repeat, you are the teacher and you are the student. Third step, without communication, we can't do anything. I repeat, without communication, we can't do anything. Fourth number, remember, communication depend on practice. And last 5 number step, teacher can't improve your communication. You are the best teacher yourself. I repeat, because of this sentence is a must. Teacher can't improve your communication. You are the best teacher yourself. Friends, as you know, our education system teaches us a beautiful read and write English, but I know some student read and write problem because of they don't have interest in English language. But friends, English is an international language, so according to my opinion, 10th class student has to speak a good English, but students come with mark memo. You know, 90% mark in English, but they can't speak. They have 90% mark, but they can't speak well. If we speak, they can understand. My speech write down. my speech write down on the board, they immediately understand. But student have speaking a writing problem. Friends, I told you, teacher can't improve your English communication. Who can improve it? You can ask me. Who can improve it? The answer is very simple. The answer is you yourself. So start self improvement course. Self improvement course is the most important for us because we should have excellent communication. If we want to friend, we need excellent communication. So in this communication, we must start by asking ourselves some question. Question number first. When we listen to English generally, can we understand? I repeat question number first. When we listen to English generally, can we understand? Question number second. How many percentage can we understand? 80%, 50%, 30%? Now we can give marks ourselves because we have started self improvement course. Please listen to English every day to minimum 5 to 10 minutes of English. Nowadays a lot facility has available, but students don't listen good English every day. We should listen English, otherwise our English will not improve. Friends, we should improve fast listening skill. Do second activity for English. Write every day. Small passage. Don't write once. Write 5 to 6 times. I will repeat. Don't write once. Write 5 to 6 times. We should develop a writing skill. This skill also significant. Significant means important. Friends, speak standard Indian English. Don't speak British and American English. Indian English is the best English. As you know, Swami Vivekananda was using standard Indian English. Indian people more talented than other countries people. We have more example. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Phule, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Many more example we have. That's why friend, we can use standard Indian English language. Friends, all we know, English is not our mother tongue. That's why we have to start practicing, and then we should do practice continuous 6 months or a year. What will happen? We shall get more job because of English communication. I have experience about this. Nowadays, more job has available in the market. First, you should improve your English. Market has a lot job. So, please develop your English. Without English communication, we shall not get good job. Friends, think about English and do practice. I hope you will start practicing English. Dear students and respected parents, I have started Global Public School, Sipura Bazar, Taluka Bhokardan, District Jalna. Please visit Global Public School, Sipura Bazar. You can take the information on YouTube channel about to the school. YouTube channel name is Dilip DILIP Sejol SHEGOL Patil PATIAL Patil. We are waiting for you. Thank you.